My dear friends, welcome to Rajshekhar classes on ethical hacking. This is lecture number 46. In this lecture, we will try to understand host discovery techniques. First one is host discovery using broadcast ICMP. The idea is very simple. We sent out an ICMP echo request packet, but not to a single mission, but to a broadcast address, which means request is going to set this request is going to request is going to send set of missions. This is a set of missions. We are sending the request to set of missions together, isn't it? So when the reply comes back, all of these missions will be sending the replies together. Obviously, this will be faster than previous method which we discussed in our previous lectures, because you do not have to send the request one by one sequentially. You are sending one broadcast request, everyone is sending back response. So whoever is sending, they are marked as alive and the others are not marked as alive. But the point is that the most of the routers do not allow broadcast packet in the destination address. They will block this. Windows typically block or ignore this kind of requests. So this has a limited use or limited utility, but for environment where you can do it, you can mount it. We will try to understand host discovery using non-echo ICMP. Normally in ICMP echo request, you are sending an echo request and you are receiving the response. But here in approach 1, you are sending something called a timestamp request, which is type 13 message. We will try to demonstrate this. Now in a nmap, there is -pp option. Just see, this is -pp option. Let me show this one. This one, -pp option, which specifies that this kind of ICMP is timestamp. So here essentially it means you are sending a request and asking for the current time from the mission. Mission will be sending back the time. Again, if you get back a response, you know that mission is alive. Otherwise, it is not alive. This is second approach. What is second approach? You are asking for subnet mask. This is called address mask request. This request is address mask request. This for nmap, it is -pm option. For this one, what is the option? -pm. That is the option. This is type 17 in ICMP. Just see, this is type 17 message. Anyway, we will try to demonstrate all these things. So here again, you are asking for subnet mask. If again a response comes back, you will know it is alive. Otherwise, it is not. So all these are available techniques. So let us perform ICMP non-echo sweep operation for detecting live hosts. The initial procedures are same. We already discussed, isn't it? Same means what? We have to turn on systems available in VirtualBox. Just in VirtualBox, which systems are available? First one is Kali Linux. Second one is Metasploitable 2 mission. You have to turn on these 2 missions, isn't it? We have to note down IP address of these 2 missions. Just I am turning on. Just I started Kali Linux. I'm going to root user, we know how to go to root user, which we discussed in our previous lectures. After that, what I am doing here, just ifconfig. Just see, this is ifconfig. What will you get because of this ifconfig? I will get IP address. Just see the IP address 10.45.35.6, isn't it? This is the IP address. Just note down the IP address of Kali Linux system. In similar manner, you can note down the IP address of Metasploitable 2 mission 10.45.29.26. This is usual procedure which we did long back, isn't it? How many missions do we have here? You have 2 missions. What are they? One is Metasploitable 2, another one is Kali Linux. We have 2 options available for non-echo ICMP sweep. So let's try for first option. What is my first option? Nmap-pp. Just see this one. Nmap. This is first option. Nmap-pp. Let me show. 1 minute. Yes. Nmap. Just see this one. Nmap-pp-sn target IP address. What is your target IP address? 10.45.29.26. Here you must write 26. Target IP address. What is target IP address? 10.45.29.26. Here I missed 0.26. Target IP address. Just see target IP address. Just let me show it. Just see nmap-pp -sn 10.45.29.26 -reason -packet -trace -disable -arp -ping. This command we already discussed. Just for clarity, I am writing here nothing more than that. Just see, that's what I am writing. nmap-pp -sn. This is -sn. This is -pp. 10.45.29. I missed this one, 0.26. Here also it must be 0.26. Then -reason. Just see -reason -packet -packet -trace -disable what is this? 2 hyphens -disable -arp -ping. This is the command which we discussed in our previous lectures also. Let's just enter. After keeping this particular option, just what you have to do, just enter. If you enter, what will you get? Now here is the report for the scanning is generated, and the first packet which is sent from our attacker system is ICMP timestamp type 13. Just see what is the packet here. Let me show here. This is the packet sent ICMP. What is that ICMP? Just see type 13. That's what we are saying. ICMP type 13. It is and it is received ICMP timestamp reply type 14 message. This is a request, and where is your reply? Just see in reply bracket. This is sent, this is received. Just say type 14 message from the target system, and finally it is generating the report as host is up. Just you can see in this message what it is. Just see where it is. Yes, what it says, host is up, received timestamp reply. That's what it says. Host is up, received timestamp reply. So let's check for -pm option also. How can I check for -pm option? Just see, it is simple and straightforward. Just see here. That's what it says. Just see nmap-pm -sn 10.45.29.26 target IP address -reason -packet -trace -disable -ping. This is the command, isn't it? Just see this one. That's what it says. 10.45.29.26. I missed this one. Sorry. This must be 29.26 hyphen hyphen. Here two hyphens, hyphen hyphen, hyphen hyphen reason, hyphen hyphen packet. Here also I have two hyphens, hyphen trace, hyphen trace, hyphen 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 disable, and hyphen ARP hyphen ping. Just the same command, just I am changing this particular option hyphen PM. So hyphen PM option would not detect the target host. So it is sent an ICMP address mask request. Just see, it has sent an ICMP address mask request. ICMP address mask request type 17. That's what we discussed in theory. Type 17 packet to the target system, isn't it? But it did not get any reply. So again, it is sent an ICMP type 17. Sent again, it is sending. Again, it is sending ICMP type 17 packet, and again it did not getting any reply. So it is saying that the host seems to be down, isn't it? Just see, host seems to be down, isn't it? This is the procedure, isn't it? This is about ICMP I can say this one is non-echo ICMP sweep operation. We already discussed which options we discussed. This is hyphen PM option. We already discussed in previous slide what is that option hyphen PP. We discussed hyphen PP and hyphen PM option. Just go through this lecture. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.